Hi there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video we will see how to find the LCM of two numbers by division method. Now what do I mean when I say LCM by division method? Consider two numbers 12 and 20. Now I start dividing the numbers by 2. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes. 20 divisible by 2? Yes. Right? Now, when I got these questioned, I again start dividing these by 2. Are they both divisible by 2? Yes. I say 2, 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now again I divide by 2. Are they divisible by 2? No. I take the next number 3. Is any of them divisible by 3? Yes. I say 3, 1s are 3, but I keep this 5 as it is. Now we already got this one, we don't have to divide this further. Now we still have this number which hasn't yet become 1. So we'll again check with 4. Is it divisible? No. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. So 1 remains as it is and this becomes 1. So we do these steps until we get both the numbers as 1. So you can see this is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 into 5, that is 60. And you can check the LCM of 20 and 12 is indeed 60. Now let's write a program to implement this logic. Before going ahead, please try it on your own and then come up with my solution. If you have some different logic of your own, please go ahead and share with us and others as well so that they can also benefit. So for writing one program, there can be many logic. So as many minds, as many logics are there. So do share whatever logic you come up with in the comment section below. Now we know that we have two numbers. So I'll say suppose n1 is 12 and n2 is 20. We have two numbers. Now we have to start dividing by 2. So I'll take one more variable d and I initialize it to 2. What we have to do? We have to go on and start dividing these numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5. Check for the divisibility until either n1 or n2 reaches 1. So I can say while, so we always need to know the stopping condition. Where do we have to stop? We know we have to stop when any of the numbers, so basically when both of the numbers go to 1. So I'll say continue doing it while n1 not equals to 1 or n2 not equals to 1. So we check n1 is 1, no, or n2 is 1, no. We go inside. Now what we have to do? We have to start dividing both the numbers by 2. So we'll say while n1 mod 2 equal to 0 or n2 mod d equal to 0. So d is 2. 20 divisible by 2, true. Or 12 divisible by 2, true. We got one of the factor. Now we want to find the LCM. So LCM is the product of these factors. So let's go ahead and take one more variable LCM initialized to 1. So we will say LCM is equals to LCM into this factor, that is D. So we have D as 2, LCM is 1, 1 into 2, that is 2. So LCM becomes 2. Now we have to check if n1 was divisible by D, only then you divide n1 by 2. So I'll check if n1 was divisible by D, only then divide n1 by D. Again I'll check if n2 was divisible by D, only then change the value of n2. Definitely there will be a question, why do we need this condition? Because see over here 3 and 5, are they both divisible by 3? No. If 3 is divisible by 3, only then I divide 3 by 3, but I keep the 5 as it is, right? So here what it does, when I reach to this position, when n1 becomes 3 and n2 becomes 5, in that case I'll check n1 that is 3 divisible by d that is 3. Yes, your n1 should be equal to n1 by d, right? So that means your n1 becomes 1. I'll check n2 which is 5. Is it divisible by 3? No, do not change the value of n2. It has to remain the same. So we go on with this process and we continue it till both the numbers or any of the numbers are divisible by 2. Once we reach 5 and 3, we come out of this loop and we increment the value of d. So 2, we reach 5, 3, d becomes 3. Is n1 not equals to 1 or n2 not equals to 1? Both of them are not 1, so this is true. Comes inside. It divides 5 and so we have taken or. So remember, these are or because it is either of them. It's not both of them. That is very, very important. And then after this program, if you print the value of LCM, you will indeed get the products of all these factors, that is 60. Now to find the LCM by division method, we have already seen the program. So we'll just see the implementation of the same. So we had one more variable d which was declared as 2 and we had an LCM which was declared as 1. So we just try to check while n1 not equals to 1 or n2 not equals to 1. So I'll just fast forward this code. So the same program n1 not equals to 1 or n2 not equals to 1 will go ahead and continue till the time both of them don't reach 1. We start dividing by 2 if they are divisible. Any one of them is divisible. I got first factor. So I find the product. We'll again modify the value of n1 and n2 based on if they were divisible by this number. We go on doing this. If we get false, we come out, we increment the value of d to 1 and so on. So let's go ahead and execute and see. So I enter two numbers 12 and 20. We get LCM as 60. I hope you understand how to find LCM by division method. If you liked it, please go ahead and share it. And in the next video, I'll be bringing up more of the types of numbers. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.